Good morning from Westpac and welcome to another Finance AM podcast. I'm Ray Spies, a Westpac market strategist. In the financial markets overnight, we saw US equities steadying after that sharp fall the previous day. The S&P 500 is currently up 0.3% on the day, although there's been little fresh news to drive the markets. Bond yields were range-bound and currencies were mixed with minor moves. In the currency markets, the US dollar index is currently down 0.1% on the day, with the Aussie and the Kiwi having the worst performances slightly. The Aussie fell from 72.83 to 72.22, and the Kiwi fell from 70.56 to 69.94. The Aussie Kiwi cross also fell from 103.55 to 103.09. In interest rates, the 2-year Treasury yield was stuck around 0.21%, while the 10-year yield ranged between 1.3 and 1.34%. And Australian bond yields, similar story, no fresh direction evident there. The 3-year yield ranging between 0.36 and 0.38%, while the 10-year yield ranged between 1.27 and 1.33%. Commodities, slightly better evening for Brent crude oil, which rose 0.8%. Copper, not much change. Gold up 0.7%, and iron ore, no change, still at $91. And we had a bi-monthly GDT dairy auction, which resulted in an overall price rise of 1%, with key product for New Zealand, whole milk powder, up 2.2%, and that was in line with yesterday's futures market predictions. The events overnight were not market moving. We had US housing starts and permits for the month of August, which was stronger than expected. We had the Swedish central bank, Riksbank, which kept its policy rate on hold as was widely expected. It forecast that rate, the average repo rate, to remain at 0% right through until Q3 2024. On the day, what's out that could be market moving? In Australia, we'll have the Westpac leading index for the month of August, which should show the full effect of the current lockdowns. And we'll also hear from RBA Assistant Governor Bullock. Then in the Northern Hemisphere, all eyes in most of the global markets will be on the US Central Bank, the FOMC September meeting, which will result in a statement and press conference and forecasts and dot plots and so forth. This will probably highlight that the economy has made progress and they should express confidence in the outlook. But we don't think that there will be an official decision announced to taper bond purchases. However, the tone of the communications will probably emphasise that that decision is only a few months away. Well, that's it for me today. Thank you for listening. I'll be back again same time tomorrow morning.